Hi everyone, this is William in the IT department for Skyline Education. Today is going to be a tutorial on how to safely share your screens with your students without them sharing screens back with you and to the whole class. So the first thing we're going to do is go into Microsoft Teams, go over here, click on Calendar, and click on the meeting that you just set up. So today we're going to do Math 101 again. So go click on the meeting that you set up. Now you got to do this before the meeting starts. Once a meeting starts with your students, we can't go back and can't make any of these changes until the meeting ends and for your next meeting begins. So what we're going to do is once we're in the calendar, click on Math 101 or whatever the name is of your meeting and go up here and you should see an option that says Meeting Options. Go ahead and click on Meeting Options. Page will load up here for the meeting options. You will see the title of the meeting, the date and time, and who created it. Now, for the most part, we're going to leave everything by default. The one thing that we're going to change here is at the very last option, who could present. Right now, I have it set up as only me, but by default, it's set up as everybody. So if it's set up on everybody, go ahead and hit the drop down option, click only me, and go ahead and click save. Once that's all done, we can close that web browser and let's launch this meeting. So we're going to launch this meeting. For recording purposes, I am going to mute my mic. So if you need to mute your mic, you could go ahead and click this. If you want to turn off your camera, you could go ahead and click this. But for recording purposes, I'm just going to turn off the mic. So we're going to click join meeting. And this step here is I'm going to show you how you can share your screen with your students. So for example, if I have a PowerPoint that I want to show them, as soon as I got my students in here, you could go right here on this bar in the middle. There's like a little TV with the up arrow. If you hover over it, it says share. So if you go ahead and click share, it's going to give you an option of everything that you have open right now. So today I'm just going to click on screen 1, which is my laptop. So right now, as soon as I click on there, it does take about 30 seconds or so for it to populate in everybody's home device or their Chromebooks or whatever they're using. And from here on out, they can see when I'm moving the mouse, clicking on things or anything like that. Or if I have a PowerPoint, I can show my PowerPoint and talk over it like that. Now, if you didn't go through and change it to only you could present, your students could click on that same button and then their screen will be being shown. Going through these steps here, it actually deactivates that button on there, so you won't have that problem. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.